Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for checking out this video. My name is Mark Lar1 and I'm in my BMW E46 325i. It's a 2005 and I have aftermarket headlights, and as you can see here, they are shining straight down at the ground. What I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the headlights, the angle of the projection. I'm going to tilt them up so it shines farther out and I can see a farther distance. Here's the angle from the front of the car. Pretty cool looking Halo headlights that I just installed a couple months ago. So you need to go ahead and pop the hood. Pretty easy procedure. This only requires one tool. It is an 8mm Hexagon socket. So this is the left side bulb. I'm going to go ahead and crank it. You can see whichever way you turn it, it's going to adjust. So just have your lights on. It helps to be nighttime, obviously, and adjust it to your preference. I wanted mine to shine out pretty far, so I kept adjusting it until it shined all the way on those houses down there. Alright, we're going to go around from the left side. Now we're going to come to the right side headlight here. And I'm just going to show you where that Hexagon, it's an 8mm Hexagon socket that you need to use for this. And that's all you have to do to adjust these light bulbs. I got these headlights on eBay. They're aftermarket headlights that have Halo headlights in them. I have a video that shows you how to connect the headlights. I connected the Halo headlights to my blinkers, so they're constantly on when the lights are on, but when the blinkers flash, the halos flash with the blinkers, so it's pretty cool. Alright, we adjusted the right headlight there. I'm going to go ahead and start it up from the inside so you can see what my perspective is when I'm driving. So much better. I'm going to show you guys a before and after shot. There's the before. You can see how it was just, you can't see anything. It's shining straight down on the ground. And after, you can see those houses all the way down at the end of the road there. So much better, so much safer. I didn't feel safe driving when my headlights were shining straight at the ground. Well, thank you guys very much for checking out this video. I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Also, hit that like button. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I appreciate it, guys. Check out my other videos. I have tons of videos on my BMW E46.